In this video, I'll detail how to take off Apple Watch band. So, if you want to remove or take off your Apple Watch band, then this video is going to walk you through step by step. This works on all Apple Watches, whether you're using the latest Apple Watch Series 9 or Apple Watch Series 10. Doesn't matter whether it's Ultra 2 or not. This could also be used on Apple Watch Series 3. So if I don't know this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to take off Apple Watch band, you need to flip the Apple Watch like this until you get to the sensor part. On the sensor part, there are two buttons beneath it. There's a button here and there is a button here. Each button controls each of the Apple Watch band. So, now to take off this band on your Apple Watch, you need to go ahead and press this button. So once you press it, you just need to slide out the Apple Watch band. So go ahead and do this. Press and hold it like this. Then slide it out like this. So that is it. You also need to repeat the same process again on the second Apple Watch band. Press this button to take it off and then slide out like this. You see that? So that is basically how to take off Apple Watch band. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.